Finally, we got the Colt Series 6. It's been everywhere on Instagram for like 2 weeks, and Australia got it first, so the US, we've been waiting. Specifically, the silver edition. Let's unbox it, give you a rundown, the specs, and let's get a session. Getting ridiculous. Every single year Envy comes out with a complete that something I wish I had when I first started. The Colt Series 6 is locked in with a bunch of new upgrades, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown right now. You got some lightweight butted T-style bars equipped by the TPR grips, solid double clamp, zero stack headset, complete new head tube design, IHC compression, 110mm wheels, and a boxed out deck. This is one of the best scooters for hybrid riding for younger riders. If you're looking for a scooter that can do it all, street, park, the Colt Series 6 is ready to go. And let's not waste any more time. Let's see how it rides. 7.7 pounds. I know that's probably the first and only thing you're truly worried about, but this thing is stupid light, especially for having boxed deck. The bars are a little lower for me just because this scooter is designed mostly for a hybrid younger rider. So hybrid, I'm down. Younger, I'm a little tall for this. I'm gonna try to make it work. Let's get a little session. Let's warm up. And the first thing I noticed is these wheels. Why are these so fast? Since the scooter is a hybrid scooter, I'm going to switch it up. I'm gonna do 10 tricks in today's video, and every single trick will go back and forth from a street style trick to a park style trick. So 5 street, 5 park, rotating until we hit 10. My back is getting the workout right now just because the bars are a little small for me, but it feels super good. These wheels are rolling. 110. Very surprised at how fast these are for 110. The boxed out deck. Look at these inserts right here. The design of this is so sick. It's gonna grind awesome. And the back end actually feels really light. It's one thing that I've noticed. Usually when you have a boxed or square deck, the axle is longer and there's just more material, which usually results in the back end of the scooter feeling heavy. Not with this one. I'm gonna bust out a few flat tricks just because I'm insanely curious on how this entire scooter performs, because it is a hybrid scooter. Most people ride street and park, but you guys know me, flat, gotta try it out. I'm gonna do 3 flat tricks. When you click the link in the description to learn more about the Colt Series 6, you're gonna see in the description of the scooter when you get on the Envy website, it's designed for hybrid younger riders. I wanna prove that this scooter can go beyond the beginner, where if you're gonna grab this thing to start out with, you'll be content for a super long time. And it's a trick that I can do on my scooter, not every try, but I've done it a few times in recent sessions. And it's just doing a long fakie manual from that bank and making it across the entire skate park to the quarter pipe. Fakie manuals require a lot of stability, power, good speed, and your scooter needs to be solid so you can have full control. Look at the front plate on this thing. This is sick. I'm gonna try this long fakie manual. I don't know how many tries it's gonna take, but it's definitely something that, I don't know, I feel if I can pull it off with this scooter is for a younger beginner, but can go beyond that to advanced tricks, if I can get it. All right, the fakie manual from this bank right here, all the way to that bank. And right before this bank, this ground gets really terrible, which is always the worst spot. Look how it changes instantly. This is the choppiest ground, but I've done it before. I've done it a few times on my scooter. So if we can pull this off, the Colt Series 6 passes the test. Third try, I'll take it. Colt Series 6, ton of upgrades. Perfect for hybrid riders. If you need a scooter and you're worried about ride some park or ride some street, you're not sure what you want to ride and you're starting out, you grab this. It's going to suit every single style of riding, even flat. We tested on flat and all those flat tricks are first try. So that long Fakey manual, third try, flat tricks first try, most of the other tricks, a few tries. Solid. All these upgrades, the smooth wheels, the squared out deck. Be sure to check out the Colt Series 6 in that first link in the description below. It comes in 4 colorways. This is the silver edition. This is the first one I built today, and I'll be unboxing and riding each one of these in different spots over the next few weeks. And since I don't need 4 scooters, I'll be giving at least 3 of them, if not all of them, away. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and see what we'll be doing for these giveaways. This scoot, ready to go. I'm excited to unbox the other ones and see the other colors in person. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos and for your chance to win one of these scooters. First link in the description if you want to scoop one of these, which I highly recommend no matter where you ride. And that's it for me. This was fun. I'll see you in the next one.